Ah, God darn it.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:30 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harrison Beaver Crib to near Jackson Park Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Cameron Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago.
Oh shit, observed water spout.
Nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:15 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing water spouts was located over Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, water spouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor and Wilmette Harbor. Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan until 10:45 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo to near Michigan City, moving northeast at 50 knots.
I sort of missed this activating.
Wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.